So here we have a Rewarewa up here, growing up above this mahoe and tree privet. Quite a common species in regenerating forests. They like the open areas, and they're quite quick growing, quite fast growing. Here is the trunk. It's a nice big tree, quite featureless in terms of the bark, but got lots of things growing on it, lichen and mosses, along with epiphytes and things. It also has quite unusual scarlet flowers. This is a close-up of a little seedling. Have a closer look at the leaves. So you can see you've got these long linear leaves. They get a bit shorter as the plant gets more mature. They're quite papery with these jaggedy teeth. The stems are sort of this reddish brown colour, and they've got lots of tiny little hairs on them, so they feel quite rough to touch. It's quite a distinctive plant, but there is a couple other trees that look a bit similar to this as seedlings, and the best way to tell them apart, to confirm it's a Rewarewa, is the Rewarewa has these two little points at the top, which often look like a little ballerina with her hands above her head. That one's a bit better there, you can see it there. Whereas the other genus, the Aotearoa genus, Hino, they don't have those points. In terms of getting it back into a restoration site, it's relatively easy. It likes the light and being out in the open, so we can plant it with our pioneer planting, our first planting, and it's quite a common tree and like regenerating bush, so it does quite well in the pioneer planting phase, but it doesn't like the shade too much, so eventually it does get shaded out from our forests and less common. Cool, we'll leave it there. Any questions or comments, pop them in below.